I went to my local Lowe's Hardware, bought a Roundup spray bottle. I put 2 cups of bleach, household laundry bleach, filled it up the rest of the way with water. I put 4 ounces of dish soap, and we're gonna clean this house. Right now, looks pretty ugly. Let's see what happens. 2 cups of bleach and some dish soap. We're gonna get rid of that. From that, there you go. That's what we were looking at. Remember, this was easy. 2 cups of bleach in a Roundup bottle. Shake, oh yeah, don't forget the dish soap. The dish soap is what makes it stick to the siding. Like I say, if you have to come back and hit it 1 second time, that'll be fine too. But 9 times out of 10, it's gonna disappear with your garden hose, whatever didn't disappear. All right, counting down. Are you watching? Sure you are. It's disappearing right in front of your face. Look at that. 2 cups of bleach, 4 or 5 ounces of dish soap, gallon of water, sprayed on your siding, and that's what happens. If your house is ugly, like it still is up there, because I'm getting ready to spray that. I already sprayed the bottom just to show you the last example. Still haven't rinsed it off, but once I do, it will be beautiful. But it looked like that. Just like this. There you go, house wash. Got any more stains? Hit them. Won't hurt a thing. Come back and hit that with your garden hose. Clean house. What do you think, guys? I haven't touched it yet. If that works for you, hit the thumbs up. Give me a like, please. Go out and wash your house. You can do the same thing. Literally minutes. This is not time lapse. This is minutes. Minutes. Now rinse it.